Setting up a RepRap 3D printer and working with RRF files, these contain the machine control instructions that drive your printer's every movement. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you configure and troubleshoot these firmware files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical RRF data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. RRF files are G-code instruction files for RepRap firmware containing machine control commands for 3D printers, CNC machines, and other fabrication equipment. They store movement commands, temperature settings, extruder operations, and configuration macros for RepRap firmware-based machines. RepRap RRF G-code files use plaintext ASCII encoding, storing sequential motion commands in standard G-code syntax, including G0, G1 movement commands, M104 M109 temperature commands, and RepRap-specific M-codes for firmware configuration and macro operations. Generally, RRF files are associated with RepRap firmware developed by RepRap project contributors. The file's minimalist design confuses most native Windows file handlers. Windows shows only basic attributes for this category, so full access depends on specialized modeling software. The first action is to test the system's defined programs. Right-click the RRF file and click Open With. Test RepRap firmware if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to find the specific library that works. When your RRF file does not open, it is usually a small issue. General troubleshooting won't work on this RRF file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, viewing G-code. Open the RRF file in a G-code viewer, such as the built-in viewer in PrusaSlicer Cura or the online gcode.ws viewer. The visualizer renders the toolpath showing layer-by-layer build progression. Inspect travel moves, extrusion paths, and support structures before sending to your printer. Next, editing machine commands. Open the RRF file in any text editor or a specialized G-code editor like Notepad++ with G-code syntax highlighting. Modify temperature values, speed settings, retraction parameters, and movement commands. Add or remove sections carefully, as incorrect G-code can damage your printer or produce failed prints. Finally, sending to printer. Upload the RRF file to your RepRap printer through the Duet web control interface if using Duet hardware or via SD card. Monitor the print through the web interface or LCD display. Use the pause and emergency stop functions if any issues arise during printing execution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.